Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the double crochet. Okay, let's get started. You should already have some chains on your hook. If you don't have the chains and you're not sure how to do it, I do have a tutorial here. Go and check it out and then come back. Let's go. Alright, chains will have the V about them. One V, 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 V. Okay, so all you have to do is pick up the top loop of that V, or actually put it between the middle of the V. That helps. So yarn over hook, put it through the middle of the V, yarn over hook, pull it up through the loop. Should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over hook, pull it through 2, yarn over hook, and pull it through the last 2. Let's try it again. Yarn over hook, put it through the V, yarn over hook, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over hook, pull it through 2, yarn over hook, pull it through the last 2. Pretty basic. Yarn over hook, put it through the V, yarn over hook, pop it through, yarn over hook, pull it through 2 loops on hook, yarn over hook, pull it through the last 2 loops on the hook. I think we've got 2 stitches left. Yes, we have. I'm just going to finish these off because I want to show you how to do the next row. Okay. All right. If you look carefully, you will see the chains you saw before had a V look, and your double crochets will also have the V. Oops, getting a bit blurry there, sorry. The V, okay, the V stitch. Now what you need to do with the double crochet, you can turn whichever way you like, whichever makes you feel comfortable, as long as you're consistent throughout your work. You chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. Turn your work, and some patterns actually say that is classified as the first double crochet, okay. Now, yarn over hook, you don't want to put it in that first loop, okay, because that's already got the chains in it. Okay, you want to put it in the next V. And when you're doing in this side, you're actually putting it through both the stitches. Before we were putting it through just the middle of it. Now you're putting it through both, or the middle of both. Okay, so yarn over hook, put it through that little chain space, yarn over hook, pull it through, yarn over hook, pull through 2, yarn over hook, pull through 2. It's the same as before, except now we're putting it through both of them, the whole V itself. Okay? Very basic. So, yarn over hook, pop it through, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, pull through 2, yarn over hook, pull through another 2. You have completed the double crochet. Don't forget to click like if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, hit the subscribe button. And also on the right hand side is a bell or alarm looking thing, and every time I pop a tutorial up you'll get a notification. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Mary. This is Wow Crochet. Check out our Etsy and our madeit.com store right down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.